Night, from 11 till 4 in the morning, the installation site at Biasca in Ticino. The concrete train is being loaded. 450 tons of aggregates, 90 tons of cement, 50 cubic meters of water and 1,000 liters of concrete admixture. These amounts cover the production requirements of 2 shifts. Only in the tunnel is the wet concrete produced. An advantage of this placement technology, the concrete train only has to carry out 1 entry and exit operation within 17 hours. Loading is automatic, and parallel to it, the mixing and pumping unit is cleaned and serviced each night. – 5 a.m. The concrete train enters the tunnel with the early shift. Here, the ballastless track, on which trains will travel beneath the Gotthard at speeds of up to 250 km per hour, has already been completed. The requirements are huge. 57 kilometers of ballastless track in each tunnel tube with millimetrical precision. Track layers move the track grid with the single-slab sleeper system into the correct position. Then they fix the rails into position at an angle of precisely 1.45 degrees. Now everything is ready for the concrete. The mobile concrete factory is an engineering masterpiece. Conveyor belts connect the wagons with the mixing plant. As soon as one wagon is empty, the next automatically takes over delivery. Production thus takes place on a continuous basis, just in time. 20 minutes after its production, the wet concrete is at the placement site. At the head of the train, the mixing wagon and the pumping station. An experienced master mixer controls the unit with special computers, monitoring the fully automatic production of the concrete according to precisely defined formulations. The minimum setting time is 48 hours. During this time, the concrete train cannot use the track, so a concrete shuttle takes over transportation through the tunnel. In this way, 15 cubic meters can be processed every hour. Continual checks by experts guarantee that the concrete quality remains consistent. The formulation can be adapted at any time during operation to the climatic conditions of the tunnel. Around 200 meters of ballastless track are produced by the men in 2 consecutive uninterrupted shifts. This is because the quality of a ballastless track depends greatly on placement continuity. Machine components and human labor are perfectly coordinated here. The track can be created in an industrial process. At the same time, quality standards are achieved that are only possible with manual work, such as smoothing of the concrete and the placement of the surface gradient of 0.7% in the direction of the manhole shaft. A total of just 25 employees are required per shift to guarantee production of the ballastless track with the concrete train. Special training courses for the commercial teams ensure premium quality and operational safety from the very first meter onwards. Millimetrical precision for the construction project of the century. Alpha BT Rail in the Gotthard Base Tunnel.